Hey there! If you're using an Mi, Redmi or Poco device and want to give your eyes a break during those long reading sessions, you have come to the right place. Today, we will walk you through how to easily turn on and off reading mode. So, let's dive right in. Firstly, open the Settings app on your Xiaomi device. Then, scroll down a bit until you find Display and tap on it. Next, scroll a little further and tap on Reading Mode. Now, simply toggle it on to activate Reading Mode. If you want to turn it off, just toggle the switch again. You can also activate this feature from the Quick Settings panel. To do that, swipe down from the right side of your screen. Look for the Quick Settings with the eye icon. Tap once to turn on Reading Mode, and tap again to turn it off. And there you have it. That's how you manage reading mode on your Xiaomi phone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button. Want more tips and tricks for your Xiaomi device? Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.